every job at some point has some sales component. You just don't get money for free. In academia, it's a grants mechanism. But once you're in an open world and you can get money from basically anybody, not just academia, guys like, Andrew Huberman or David Sinclair, they're kind of like pioneers here. They're starting to like monetize in public. The scientist influencer who you have to explain your work. That's the whole point of publication. If you also devote some of that to making kind of cool videos online, explaining the social importance of it, that's good. And people might say, oh my God, well, that'll kill pure science. You have to make it all, accessible. And so I'm like, look at Veritasium, look at 3 Blue, 1 Brown, look at some of these science, channels on YouTube. There's an audience for it. And actually there's a fairly well-heeled audience that wants to learn about this stuff. You could actually monetize your teaching now, for example, and use that to fund research. Basically, a lot of these open funding models, I'll probably write I just went through several of them right there, but just to recap, you can set up a company and get it funded. You can try to do crypto style funding, whether it's DeSci and crowdfunding or it's NFTs or some combination thereof. You can become like a science influencer and get subscriptions. And like Veritasium and others are showing this is actually a much larger market. You could even set up like job dashboards and stuff on your page. If you're like a physicist, then, the kinds of people who are reading your blog or reading your publications are going to disproportionately be people who are, have skills that others want to employ, or that others want to find, and so on and so forth. So there's a bunch of different ways of kind of doing science outside of academia. And so how to change the funding structure? I would look for outside academia funding, decentralized funding, and fortunately, those things are coming online.